You probably know, improperly deep frying a turkey can be hazardous, but cooking for the holidays can lead to many common fires and injuries. Let's cover those and then show a safer way to deep fry a turkey. Many fires are a result of unattended cooking. Stay in the kitchen, especially if you are frying or broiling food. If you do have to leave the room, set a timer as a reminder to check the food regularly. Also, make sure you tested your smoke alarm within the past month. Combustibles such as oven mitts, food packaging, and wood utensils can all catch fire and should be kept away from heat sources. Direct your pot and pan handles away from people because bumping them can lead to burns and other injuries. Also, don't wear loose or baggy sleeves while cooking, as they can catch fire or get caught on handles. It also helps to know what to do if a fire does take place. Don't hide your fire extinguisher in some forgotten cabinet, but keep it accessible and know how to use it. Check the gauge monthly and replace it every 10 years. If you have a grease fire, do not attempt to put it out with water. Instead, slide the lid onto the pan and turn off the heat source. Leave the pan covered until it is completely cooled. If you can't extinguish the fire, get everyone out of the building and call 911. Now back to frying turkeys. The National Fire Protection Association does not recommend cooking turkeys in propane fryers, but the following steps will reduce the likelihood of injury. Remove the neck and the giblets. Make sure the bird is completely thawed and dry the bird inside and out. Set up your fryer a safe distance from combustible buildings. This includes any overhangs, garages, and sheds. Add your oil to the fryer. Be mindful of the fill line on your fryer. Do not overfill. Preheat the oil to 350 degrees. Turn off the propane while you gently ease in your turkey. Once the internal temperature is 165 degrees, it is safe to eat. Never serve undercooked poultry, especially to children or the elderly. Once the oil has cooled, it is safe to recycle. Put it back into its original container and bring the sealed container to the free oil drop-off at Moscow Recycling. Have a safe and happy Thanksgiving.